What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video I'll be introducing the DroMight Football remote viewing station. The DroMight Football features a 15.6-inch display built into a hard case with an internal battery that's capable of running it for over 10 hours. Over here you have an HDMI input so that you can plug in any HDMI out device to display on the case. And in addition to that, you have a USB port for charging an external device. And then over here you have a micro USB port for charging the case itself, the internal battery, an on and off switch, and a battery indicator switch. So this case is great for drone teams looking to share their screen with crew members, visual observers, or even customers. The best way to show you what the football can do is to take it in the field, but before we do that, I just want to show you how easy it is to use. So over here, I have my drone display. I'm going to take an HDMI cable, plug it in. I'm going to go to my case and plug in the other end to the case. Turn it on, and very simply, in a couple seconds, you should see exactly what the monitor sees. So that easy to use, so let's take it in the field. As you can see in the field, the football is a really useful tool. So as a team, you could easily share exactly what the camera is seeing from the drone with your visual observers, and this is a great way to keep them, away from the drone operator and allow him to focus on operating the drone and not having people, looking over his shoulder onto the screen. And an added bonus is the screen that you see on the case can be a totally unobstructed view and just the camera view from the drone. So no, app interface that you typically see on the remote. So that's it for this video, guys. If you're looking to purchase the DroMight Football, feel free to give us a call or visit us online at www.terrestrialimaging.com. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.